I was kind of scared to go to the dentist for a long time. I kind of had a pretty rough past, bounced in nightclubs, fought on a tough man circuit. So I'd lost a lot of teeth, and you know, kind of ashamed to to smile or anything. I was even missing a couple in the front, and it was cool. It was no problem. I've been an electrician for 34 years, and I didn't want to work in the field all my life, and I had the experience and the knowledge to move up in my trade, move into project management. I felt like I wouldn't get that opportunity if I didn't present myself in a professional way, and I felt like with the way that my teeth looked, there was nothing really professional looking about that, you know what I mean? So I made the decision that I needed to, for my self-confidence and to advance my career, and just for all around mental health, that I needed to get my teeth fixed. My mother actually went to Dr. Bean and got snap-in teeth. She got the implants with snap-in teeth, and she's like, you need to go see Dr. Bean. And I went and seen him and did a consult with him, and he laid down some options for me, and that was affordable, and kind of worked with what I was comfortable with. Plus I was just comfortable with them. It wasn't like you were sitting in his doctor's office. It was like you were sitting there with some friends discussing this kind of stuff. So they helped me find a lender that would finance an affordable option for me, and because my credit wasn't real high, there was still a balance, and they worked with me on that. They did some in-house financing for me, which it worked out great. It was great. It was I can't even tell you. I mean, for them to pull all your teeth out and drill holes in your jawbone and put metal studs in and all that kind of stuff, I never had a sleepless night, never had any kind of problem. And just to have that sense of feeling inside that I was never gonna have a toothache again, man, that was a good feeling there. I'm happy that I feel like other people see me as I see myself now. I never smiled before. It was my mom, she's happy to see me smile all the time, because I didn't smile for a long time. To have the confidence, to be able to smile and what I feel like look the part for what my position is in the world, that's, you can't describe that either. I mean, it feels great. Dr. Bean is a human being. He's a very compassionate person. He's not judgmental. You can tell that he honestly wants to help you. He wants to help you improve your life. His staff at the clinic, they're the nicest people in the world. Like, you can't believe that they're like that nice. They take their time to explain everything to you. It's been a real easy process.